What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and I'm glad you guys can join me tonight because tonight's kind of a cool night. We are going to be doing a live stream tonight about Quant and if it's going to break out or not, which it already kind of has broke out, and if it's going to go any higher, and if this is the time to buy, or is it going to go back down for you to be able to buy it again before it moves on. And after that, we're going to be doing a collab with Six Figure Stock Trader over there on his YouTube channel, and I think we might be doing a live on my channel first, or his, I don't know, we'll figure out the specifics. I think it was my channel. We would do a live at 7, which is 9 o'clock his time, Central Standard, and then probably just for like a half hour, a quick collab, like 20-30 minutes. I want to ask him about NFTs, so I think that's what we're going to be doing on my end of the collaboration. I'm going to kind of ask him about NFTs and is there a way to make a profit in NFTs, because I don't know how to make profit. I'm not an NFT guy. I've bought a couple NFTs and they just kind of sat in my wallet and I've never made any money. So if you want to see a cool collab, make sure you stick around until the end of this one and then wait around, go do whatever you got to do, like take a bathroom break or whatever, and then we can move on to the collab. We'll do a collab on mine about NFTs and if you can make a profit, and then he will have a live on his channel that we'll do a collab on a topic that I don't know about yet. So looking forward to that after this. So that's going to be me and Six Figure Stock Trader right now. He has a live going on right now too. So when this is all said and done, go over and check out that live. He's talking about some NFTs over there too. So don't leave now, but you can check that out later. But for sure, I still haven't shared this with everybody yet, but I think we're just about good to go. Do you guys like Quant? Is that how you say it? Quant? I think that's how you pronounce it. Quant. And it's a cool little project. I've made money off of this project before. I've talked about it before on the channel. But I really kind of wanted to showcase the ecosystem and kind of take a little bit of a deeper look into Quant. That's what it looks like. Quant. And look, it did what every other crypto in the world did, and it went down, right? So it isn't, resistant to the massive dump. I wish there was like one crypto, guys, that like would completely resist the dump, and that's what I kind of want to know about NFTs. Even if you can't really make like a lot of money on NFTs, are they good to go through the pump? Maybe that's something we'll talk about later in the other live stream we're going to do in the collab. So you guys are really going to want to stick around to check that out. We're going to be talking about Quant, but then we're going to be going into a collab after this as well. So I appreciate all of you guys for sure. All right, now let's get into, let's see. Yeah, we're good to go. Okay. This downward resistance that we were facing on Quant right here, Quant. And we just broke out of it, and look at all that volume. The only thing is, look, all that volume, and then it closed right under. So, and now we're above it again. So it might just break out even more. This is something I'd watch. And we're going to look at the shorter time frames to see, should we be buying right now? Because this is a breakout sign. And when you get a breakout sign like this, they're supposed to go, when it's a falling wedge like this, it's supposed to go all the way to the top of the wedge, which that would be $296, more than double the price. But I've been seeing a lot of this lately, and it hasn't done it on any of the cryptos I've seen. So I don't know if this is the best place to buy unless we get more volume. Look at the volume build up and then the volume stop when we get right here. You see, we're above it. You'd think this is we'd continue the volume to try to ride it all the way up, but that must mean they know something that we don't. Let's look at the lower time frames. Okay, there you can see what happened. in the lower time frame. Exactly. It didn't show this in the other one. It just showed it straight up on one of them, but it actually went and it broke out above, closed above here. This was a legit breakout, guys. That's what doesn't, I don't always get it, because look at all that volume and a legit breakout of this falling wedge pattern. But unfortunately, it didn't work out, and it got snuffed back under, and then, you know, kind of touched it there, and then, but I'm not giving up on it. I think this might be a good accumulation level. I would have liked to get it under 80 bucks though. Look, you could have just got this thing for a really, really cheap price, you know, 80. And yeah, so these are the kind of cryptos. I don't think it's good to buy right now. No way. Not when it's, I would not buy this crypto right now, not even a little bit, but I like this project and I want to look at the project because, yeah, if I was going to buy it, I would be buying it down here. So this probably is not the best time to buy it, because look, we're at 90, 80 bucks right here, 80 to 90 right here. We are 89 to 90 something right there. And then we have this whole period right here where we're just between, 88, let's see, between, yeah, 88 and about 98 bucks, just 10 bucks right here. And so, yeah, I wouldn't buy up here. This is looking like a bull flag. Look at that. That could be a bull flag breakout. Ooh, actually, dude, that could change. Whoa, hello. So, maybe not on the 4 hour. Yeah, that's a bull flag. I mean, for the most part, and it did kind of break out right there. It went back down there though, but no, not quite a bull flag. Dang it! I was really hoping that was starting to look like something there, and especially you see that breakout right there. But there's nothing there. You'd have to touch it down, and that's a symmetrical triangle. So, nope. But we might have a continuation pattern over here, though. So that's probably what this is going to be here, is an ascending triangle. And that's good news. I mean, it is a breakout. I mean, look at these breakout. Look at that volume. Breakout and volume. That's what we look for, breakout with volume. See, this breakout didn't have any volume. Oh, this is a perfect example right here. You see this? This breakout had no volume. And look what happened. It went back underneath. Now look at this breakout. That's volume right there, okay? And look what happened. We stayed above it. Dude, that's a good example. I'm really glad that this is right here. And it showcases how important volume is in a breakout. That is super important. So that's what I'm talking about. Like if people start trading a bunch during a breakout, that would confirm that breakout, guys. So I just kind of figured out a big secret of crypto that maybe people didn't know. I mean, they do. They know more volume, but did they know that they can actively participate in that volume? All the volume is the amount of crypto that is traded back and forth. So if you can find a place that you can buy quant and sell it for cheap, like say it only costs you a penny each time you buy and sell it, you know, do that 1,000 times. No, I don't know if it'd be illegal. I'm not 100% sure, but wouldn't that be cool? You just add to the volume, be like, we're breaking out right now. I'm just going to buy and sell as much quant right now as I can. Let's help get, I mean, who knows? That might work. And if you were rich, that would definitely work. I mean, if you were buying and selling like $1 million at a time, you know, it'd be more than a 1 cent fee. It would probably cost a couple $100 each time. But to raise the price on the crypto just by trading back and forth, boom, and then only do it during a breakout and then raise that volume way up, and then it'll be a confirmed breakout and we'll continue. Now that's what I would do if I actually had the money that it took to do that. But yeah, I mean, I could be a good poor investor or a good rich investor. I think I'm pretty good at both of them. So, but right now we're going to watch this level. If it just goes sideways, no volume, it won't break out. As you see, look, there's absolutely zero volume going in right now, which I don't understand. We have a confirmed breakout right here, but there's no volume going in, and we have an ascending triangle that if we break above, we could continue this, trend up, especially let's look at the price of Bitcoin. It's doing pretty good at 37.2. We're running into resistance here on these EMAs, of course, because we ended up going below them, and it's easy to get below them, but it's hard to get back above them, guys. If you hadn't noticed, it's pretty easy to drop below these levels, but to get back above them, it takes a little bit extra, a little bit more. So now let's go in and look at the ecosystem of Quant, guys. I think that I forgot to share in a couple places too. So guys, if you can share on your social media as well. And I'm just gonna, before we get into the ecosystem, I just want to get this over here to Telegram. I forgot to, this is my biggest group, I think, of active live people. So I always like Meme Couch by Cinnamon Toast Kitten Buff Pro. I was on their channel earlier, and I was like, man, I'll box with Buff Pro for a slot on your guys' team. He's like, man, Buff Pro would waste you though. He's like a professional boxer. He trains all the time, but I don't care. Well, why not Ken then? I'm not a professional fighter. I shouldn't have to fight a professional fighter. Let's fight Ken. Me and Ken for the spot on the team. No, I don't care. I go with Buff Pro. I'll sign a non-disclosure agreement. Let's do it. I'm serious. Because we'll both be millionaires after it. Both of us, me and Buff Pro. Me for, getting knocked into oblivion, and him for knocking me into oblivion. So that would be nice. I don't mind. I'll take one for the team. For real. I don't mind getting knocked out. I don't know. It takes a lot to knock me out, though. So I don't know if he could do it. Many have tried. Many have tried. That's how I got my yep, faced me before, man. You should see the other guy, though. No. All right, guys, come on. Get over here. We need like 20 people on here. Oh, hold up. Did I already share this over there? I sure did. Yeah, I really did good on that Algorand purchase that I had. So just bear with me 1 minute here, everybody. Okay. There we go. Alrighty. Ecosystem. Now, I really thought Quant had a bigger following, guys. That's why I did this video. All of my Quant videos, man, my channel has been taking a hit so bad. Like, I try to ignore it, but the more it goes on, it's not getting better right now. But I guess my channel's not the only one. Someone else asked me about the same thing, that their channel's going through some hard times right now too. And I think a lot of people quit making videos because of it. But George's channel never really takes a hit. All the big channels basically always do good, but I bet they have less views too. You know what I mean? But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna continue doing this because I like to, though. So I'm not gonna concentrate on views as much, as long as I can get the word of crypto out and get some sponsors. Guys, I'm gonna leave contact information below, and if you want to do like an AMA or If you want to talk about your up and coming crypto on the channel, you'll be able to contact me through my email in the description below. So yeah, and then when the channel gets bigger, and I'm going to have other channels as well that aren't going to have any giveaways or anything on it, and I'm going to grow a channel and see if that's the reason why this channel is doing bad is because of the giveaways, and what the reason for that is. So give me one more second here, and I will be right back. Sorry, I got to record my show. Guess I should have done that earlier, but it's on at 6:30. I don't want to miss it. Alrighty. All right. So, Jorge, how are you doing tonight, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. There's a lot of people I haven't seen on the channel for a while, but anyway, let's keep going now. I think we're just about done with everything. I appreciate all you guys have done. Jorge, Brandon, Justin, Brandon, Charles, all you guys. We're missing Weeping One, though. Haven't seen her for a while. Okay, developers. Take part in the quant ecosystem. Find out more. Okay, you don't need to be a DLT expert to build game-changing multi-DLT application. Download technology, is that what it is? Distributed ledger technology, that's what that is. Oh yeah, we've talked about that before. And with Quant Overledger, okay, we believe that applications for distributed ledgers should be as simple to develop as other systems, and with Quant Overledger they are. What's more, our cross-patented cross-DLT technology available via a REST API allows applications to function across multi-distributed ledgers simultaneously. Okay. Building applications on Overledger means applications can be built via a single REST API. The complexity of DLTs, distributed ledger technologies, particularly in smart contract languages, cryptography, and DLT data structures, are handled by Overledger. Applications can interact with multiple DLTs in a standardized way of Quant's patented cross-DLT technology. Applications are fully scalable. Overledger currently has connections to 6 DLTs, and access to national and regional distributed ledger networks is coming in 2021, which already should have happened. More DLTs more DLTs will follow in the near future. Applications will have access to DLT resources and networks made available on both Overledger networks and the community network. So this is a lot for developers, and there is so much cool stuff going on in these crypto projects right now. You could get a job in one of these. Like if you're a developer, an engineer, and you could take whatever, you went to school for, because a lot of those jobs in the normal world you can't get because there's like 5 billion people all applying for the same job. Well, now you could take all those skills, instead of, having a master's degree and working at Starbucks, you could take your master's degree and come over here on blockchain technology and use actually the skills that you went to school for and get paid the money that you deserve. Blockchain pays good, guys. That's what I'm saying. Don't go, fight these millions of people for a job that you probably won't even like. Most of these jobs you can work from home. You have control over your hours. You can work at your own pace, and you can build as much of a life for yourself and much of an empire as you want. You know, you can build on these blockchains your own little business. You could build a business on the blockchain, guys. That's the way the things are nowadays. Instead of going on the, you know how you can have like a business on the internet? Well, Web3 is the blockchain version of the internet. So if that's true, then that means that you could actually own and run a business off of the blockchain and be successful and not have to trust in any third parties. I mean, what is better for an entrepreneur to work for nobody and not have to trust anybody? You know, you trust the code, you trust the program, and that is the best for someone who wants to work for themselves. They don't want to they don't have a boss for a reason. So why would they want to have to go have other people make decisions for them? You know, so that's why it's good to own a business on the blockchain. It's Web3 and it's new. That's where the money is. New technology is where the money is. And anything being utilized with new technology, like, you know, Quant is doing here, using, you know, stuff that would probably be used on the regular internet and making it on the blockchain with these distributed ledger technology. You know, which is actually kind of blockchain specific, but any ledger system could have been used before this. So, and the solutions here. Now that's the technology. What are the solutions? Well, bringing the benefits of distributed ledger technologies to all. Well, that's good. Solutions for enterprise. Multi-ledger tokens, minting multi-DLT stablecoins from fiat funds. And that's for central banks, fintechs, trading consortia, all of these things, marketplaces, micropayment platform, all of this. Funds are held in escrow, blah, blah. So this is actually a pretty huge thing, and it's for these big companies to use too. Banks. That's basically you're allowing the government, you know, because who runs the banks? Basically the governments, you know, if they don't, not outright, but you know who controls it really. So yeah, I mean, this is the new technology. All of the banks, all of the real money is, you know, adopting Web3. It's the new internet, guys. Everybody, you know, tried to, you know, stop the coming of the regular internet, and it came. And everybody who was on the side of the internet and bringing it to fruition and putting their money on it were the winners in that situation. And we have another one of those situations. You missed out on Microsoft, we say in Seattle. Well, guess what? You know, blockchain is the new Microsoft. This is your second chance if you wanted to invest in something that can change your life. This is the way to take control of your, you know, finances, not just with Quant, with crypto, but this offers such a cool, you know, freaking network ecosystem. It's what I like to showcase, just the over complexity of it. You know, but then just show you how even when it comes down to just the price, guys. All that complicated stuff comes down to why is the doing good? If you go and look at the project, you know that this isn't just vaporware. This is actually, you know, something that is technology that's needed in the Ethereum system, and there are a lot of vaporware out there. Don't get me wrong, but this one isn't one of them. So Quant is just a really good crypto, and it just comes to what valuation is it up at? What could you see this crypto being at? Like, and that's that you can trade on crypto too, is like, what value do you think this crypto is going to bring to the world? How much do you think that it can go up? Ethereum is at what, 600 billion at its all-time high, or 700-800 billion? I'm not 100% sure what its total market cap, but it was pretty high. What is this one now? Well, we have 182 million overnight. That's pretty high. Yeah, it is $1 billion one. And so it's another $1 billion crypto. And look at that. That means there's not very many crypto, very much of the quant crypto left out there. because this is the market cap, which means all the crypto that is out on the market right now. And this is the fully diluted market cap, which means all of the crypto, even the stuff that isn't on the market, which means still to be minted. So they couldn't really flood the market with a lot of these cryptos. So this one would be a crypto that I would really be looking to just kind of raise in value over the next few years, just because of supply and demand built in to the crypto, obviously, in the way crypto is being cyclical and whatnot with Bitcoin. And until Bitcoin decouples from altcoins, we're going to see Bitcoin still affect and move the price of these altcoins in a positive and a negative way whenever Bitcoin wants to. Basically, it's this is the decision maker, and unfortunately that's the way that it is. It's becoming less and less. Oh man, this ascending triangle broke to the downside. You see that? Broke to the downside. But Bitcoin's not doing too bad right now. I think we're holding pretty strong at 37.5. I would like to see us, head to the upside more. Let's see. Are we on the four? Yeah. So we're right here, right? Yeah, we're just kind of sitting neutral right now a little bit. So, okay, we're 30 minutes into it, guys. We are waiting to go live on Six Figure Stock Traders channel, and I think he's going to come here. I'm not sure which one's going to, because then I got to download a new stream site for his, so I'm not sure. Okay, sorry about that. All right, now if we are going to look at Quant right here, let's on the 1 hour, let's get these EMA ribbons out and see where this thing can go from here. Are we absolutely just toast or not? Okay, well, on the 1 hour, we're doing really good. Above all of those ones. Let's look at the 4 hour. Okay, and we're above all of those ones. And we are below the EMA 50. And look at what we went up and touched. We went up and touched the EMA 50. See that guy? Bam! Right off of that thing. That is definitely a resistance. That's why I always look at the EMAs more than anything else, because the EMA is what is really, crucial for these resistance or, support levels. So as you see, look at the EMA 9. It's been our support level all the way up here. So now it's just kind of so far below where we're at, and we broke above this EMA 21 too. Now I want to go out to the longer time frames, and you're going to probably see, higher levels here. Wait, where is that? Oh, whoa, guys, look at that. Is that really EMA 100? No, it's at 174. Okay. What is this? Oh, that's a line. Okay. I was like, wait a minute. All right. Yeah, it's way up there. Now let's try the 200. Yeah, no, I absolutely. Oh, you can't do that on. I respect Buff Pro and Cinnamon Toast Kid, man. I just want to be on their gaming show, and that's the one thing I was like, well, maybe if we make a publicity stunt out of it and we do a boxing match, and then maybe it'd be worth it. All righty. Ooh, we're going down now. I said that and it went right back up. That's funny. All right. So things are looking a little bit Okay, let's look at the weekly now. We don't really normally look at the weekly. Whoa, isn't that a crazy looking chart? Is that a crypto you want to get behind right there? What in the heck is that, dude? It's just like, oh, yeah, it's been around for about 52 weeks or so. A lot of crypto would actually look like that if you did that. Can I go even farther than a week? I don't think so. Maybe? No? Hold on. Oh my goodness. We can go month. Look at that month. Oh man, look at that month. It went from 180 to 435. Dang. And look where we are now, guys. So if when in doubt, zoom out. Now, where would you want to buy on this map? Well, there's only a couple places that I would buy, probably right here. Right here. I mean, and we're right here right now. So, I mean, that's not too bad of an area. I mean, I might buy right there. That's not too bad of an area compared to like all of that. But I wouldn't want to buy much higher than this. Yeah, this is that. See, this is why we are stuck right here, guys. Look way back here, way back months ago, at July of 2021. This is the last time we were at this level in June. Boom. I thought this crypto was older than that, but yeah, it's kind of funny to look at them all zoomed out like that. Excuse me. All right, guys. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time on these cryptos tonight. I just kind of wanted to show Quant off a little bit because it is doing pretty good and it might continue. So we're going to continue to look for that volume. If the no more volume comes in, it's probably going to end up heading back down. I wouldn't buy at that level because it just went basically from 80 to 130 bucks, almost doubled in price. You don't want to buy a coin that's almost doubled in price when all the other crypto out there is not doing that good. So because when Bitcoin, or if they do go down, other cryptos is going to go down a lot. So yeah. Right on. Let's go to some Q&A now, guys. That's what we have next. And I know we do Q&A too much, I think. I'm going to start doing Q&A only like every other live stream. That way I won't do it on like the morning live streams, but I'll do them on the nightly every other night. I don't know. I just don't want to burn us out on these kind of things. Oh, if you haven't seen my Algorand video I made earlier, you guys need to go check that out. It was awesome. I'm telling you. Best video. I made a lot of money on that one. Hopefully you guys followed me and did the same thing. Not financial advice, of course, entertainment purposes only, but it's a good thing to make money. Why isn't it? Oh, there we go. All right. Oh, it's lagging a bit. Oh, something happened to the connection. No wonder. Is it better now? Yeah, it looks better now. I hope. Okay. So let's do some Q&A, guys. Let's do some Q&A. Let's do some Q&A. Okay. So we can look at some crypto you guys want to. We're only going to be on here for about 12 more minutes because I want to get ready for the next live stream. I need to change all of the stuff out so that we can get ready for our collaboration with Six Figure Stock Trader, which is going to be right after this video at about 7:10-ish, around there. So yeah, look forward to that. And then go ahead and subscribe to his channel. Help him out because he's a good guy and I like his channel too. And you know, I appreciate when people collaborate with me because that's how we can kind of, you know, not only really share our audiences, but bring more eyes to people that, you know, are good in the space. And I think getting the word of crypto out there is a lot of our real goals, and it's not a selfish ambition. And I like to work with people like that. So I really think he's one of those guys, you know, and of course, because I met him on Crypto Windy, that's why. But yeah, there's good people, man. You can tell good people. And I guess I just gravitate towards good people. It's just natural. I think most of us do. So what are you guys doing tonight? How are you? XY at 0.199 this morning. Yeah, I know. And Graph, my connection's bad. Graph went down to 39 too. I should have set it for 39. RDD? Oh, I forget about red coins sometimes. I really do. I don't know why. Yeah. Oh man, imagine if RDD really had a breakout. You know, that crypto could still make people rich if it happens though. That's the thing. It's like Buyqnt could have too. It had so much potential and then it just went to the ground. So, but yeah, Redcoin. I think Redcoin has way more potential than Buyqnt ever did. So. A neat multi-chain NFT game. It's on the Polygon mainnet. Do you think you can check it out, bro? Maybe we could do it on my crypto gaming channel. If you want to do that, we could go over there. And I can add you to my restream, bro. Like you were saying, you couldn't like go live or whatever or on Zoom, but I can add you to restream, and then you don't even have to have your face. You can just have your voice on there. I think I can, you just be on and then block your video if you wanted. And then we'll do that on the, what is it? I don't even know what it's called. I renamed it today. I did that because I'm uploading ICP videos every day to the ICP Renegade channel because I want to build another channel just for ICP. For right now, it's just all of the videos I made on here, but eventually I'm going to make new videos over there. It's called Bitcoin Renegade Gamer. I think I got like another subscriber since I just changed the name. I didn't even put a video out. I just changed the name. My Crypto Heroes. Okay. Yeah, maybe we can check that out. Maybe we'll look at that tonight on the and see if Six Figure Stock Trader knows about my crypto heroes. I kind of want to get into Axie Infinity and stuff, and this is why I think we're gonna I hope, you know, I'm not asking too much of him, and I hope he knows about NFTs, and if not, then maybe we'll talk about something else. But yeah, I really want to talk to somebody who knows a lot about NFTs and where I should put my money in NFTs. Should I go Decentraland, Mana? Should I do Sandbox? Should I do Gala Games? Should I do my crypto heroes? Should I, what game? And Axie Infinity, what game can I put my money in that I could probably, you know, play the game and not only play the game, but, you know, create value? Because that's what we want. We want to either keep our value or invest in something we can play a game and actually make money playing a game. Now that's rare. That's asking for too much there. You play a game and you make money in it. That would be cool. Closed source networks. Oh, is the lagging still there? I hope not. Streaming to Facebook again. Yeah. So I'm actually not streaming to the same Facebook that I was. I'm streaming to Facebook on my page now. So it's actually the Bitcoin Renegade instead of Jeff Anders. So yeah, I think that works out better. And I tried it without Facebook for a while, and it actually was worse on my channel than just, you know, doing it alone. So that's why I did it. Oh, no. You don't need to pay money for the restream. Free. That's why I use it. Heck yeah, it's free. And then all I would do is I'd send you a code, bro. They have, it's right here somewhere. I just send you a little code. Oh, right here. Yeah, I just add people. Boom. And then I send you this code, and I can invite up to 6 guests. So, and then I just send that to you. To be in a team, you need to pay money. Okay, I don't know about that then. Well, yeah, I mean, Facebook, man, I'm getting some views over there though. Like it is it's the best of what I have right now. Hey, Chaco. Well, they always try to get you to pay money. So just try to get rid of all the pay. Be like, no, skip, get out of there. If it still tries to make you pay money, I don't know. But I'll send you a link and then you can try to do it that way. We'll do that another time, but yeah, we'll talk about that later. Yeah, I think we're good to go, guys. Let's do 5 more minutes of Q&A, guys. We're almost at 2K subs. So thank every single one of you guys for subscribing to my channel, for supporting me, and everything. To those of you that are actually on the channel for, genuine reasons, I appreciate it. And even if you're just here for the money, congrats to you. I hope you win. But for the most part, we're going to be making millionaires. You could either come for the $50 prize, or you come for $50 prize, you stay for the $1 million knowledge. And everything that I've learned, for the most part, right there, that's funny, is beneficial to all of you guys, because when you hold a crypto through the losses, when you can separate yourself from that emotion of knowing half of your money's gone right now, and to know that if you just wait, that money will come back to you, most likely. That's not guaranteed. It's never guaranteed. But every time I've held through a massive dump, and it's taken a year before. I waited 1 year for a profit of Tezos. I bought Tezos at like $3.80. It went down to like $2 for I swear, a year. And I was like, man, as soon as I bought it, it went to $2 and stayed there forever. And then it went back up to like $5, and I made a profit after 1 year of holding it. So that is one of the lessons I learned, man. I would have lost over half of my money if I would have sold. It just would have been stupid. So that's all we got to do sometimes, and if the crypto disappears, well, you already lost a ton of money. So you might as well, not if you have like $1 million in there, of course, never do that. But if you had $2,000 in there, you're already down 1,000, and if you just wait through it, you could get your money back, or you just sell and take $1,000 loss. Then, that's for sure. You lost 1,000 for sure. But if you wait, you have a chance to get it back. So that, or you could buy at lower levels. That's the thing. You can dollar cost average and drop that price. That's what I'm doing. So instead of just sitting, oh, I'm halfway down, well, I just keep putting more money in at lower prices. Boom, boom, boom. That could be really bad, especially if that crypto tanks, then, and you're putting more money into it, you could be done for. But I am really sure of my decision. I stand by it. Even if I'm wrong, I stand by the risk that went into it and the reward that I could get. I am willing to face the consequences if I'm wrong. And that's what you got to be willing to do as well. If you bet on Quant and you're wrong and it goes down, then that's okay. If you're willing to take that loss, take it. If not, wait and let it go back up and have diamond hands. And that prevails. I've noticed. So $5 Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes to $5 though, then it's kind of toast. If we go from 69,000 to $5, everybody would sell their Bitcoin. Everyone. Some would just go down with the ship though. So there would be those diehards. Could you imagine Bitcoin at $4.99? You're like, no, I had one Bitcoin and it's worth $5 now. I held from 69,000, my one Bitcoin I spent 5 years getting, and it went all the way to 69,000 and all the way back down to $4.99. Oh man, no, that's not happening, guys. I hope. Okay, well, I'm going to get ready for everything. Guys, don't go anywhere. Get ready for this collaboration that we're going to do, because who knows what's going to happen. We could be giving away millions and millions of dollars, but probably not. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!